How to navigate a parking garage fearlessly for the first time. In order to improve the number of parking spots available, parking garages are frequently employed in the majority of large cities. There are many different types of parking garages, and each one necessitates that drivers navigate their cars around curves and other impediments. It can be confusing to park your automobile in a parking garage for the first time. You can get ready for your first time using a multi-story parking garage by taking the steps below. 9 steps to confident garage parking. 1. Find the parking garage's entry where you want to keep your car. Entrances and exits to parking garages are typically well marked. 2. Frequently, you must pay a charge or obtain a ticket in order to enter a parking garage. Look for a ticket window or parking attendant as you gently approach the parking garage entrance. Make sure to properly navigate your vehicle through the entrance apparatus. Pay for your ticket or pick it up. 3. Automated barricades are typically used to regulate access to parking garages. The automated gate should open once you have paid or acquired a ticket. Before putting your automobile in the parking garage, wait till the arm is raised. Do not stop in front of the automatic barrier. 4. Be careful that clearance in parking garages is frequently very low. Before you enter the parking garage, you should see a sign indicating the clearance height. You should use caution when entering the parking garage if you are driving a tall or heavy car. Drive carefully and gently through the parking garage. Keep an eye out for dangers like confused pedestrians seeking for their cars, drivers backing out of parking spaces as you approach, and cars coming out from a parking garage corner. Turn on your low beam headlights in low light to increase the visibility of your car to other drivers. 5. In rare circumstances, you could be given a specific spot in the parking garage to park in. If not, start looking for a free parking spot. 6. There are numerous parking garage layouts to choose from. Some have circular lanes that enable users to ascend and descend between various levels. Others use a network of ramps to direct traffic inside the garage. Pay close attention to how the parking garage is moving. As you travel up or down the levels, you could only be able to turn in one way. Parking garages are typically identified with clear signs. As you look for an open area, pay attention to any indicators. 7. Keep in mind that visibility is significantly less in a parking garage than it is in a parking lot when you locate a suitable parking spot. Immediately after checking for incoming or approaching traffic, park your car. 8. Parking lots can be difficult to understand. Make careful you don't get lost in this tangle of automobiles. Take note of the level of the parking garage where your car is parked as well as the letter, number, or color of the parking slot. Use your smartphone to take pictures of the area, or write down the details and carry the note with you. To make it simple for drivers to remember where their cars are parked, the majority of parking garages are color-coded and alphabetized. 9. Parking garages are well known for being hazardous. When parking in a garage, don't leave any valuables inside your car. As you walk to and from your car, be sure to pay attention to your surroundings.